Hi there. Today's tried and tested recipe is Potoler Dolma or stuffed Parwal Curry. It's a Bengali delicacy said to be derived from the Armenian cuisine. My version is simple, one that you'll be able to cook easily. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To prepare the parwal or the pointed gourd, wash them with water and use a knife to scrape the skin from all over it. That's how it will look. Slice off the top at one end and carefully cut two thin stripes. You could skip this step, but I like doing it like this. Now use the back of a spoon that should be pointed to scoop out the seeds carefully. Just go round and round. That's how it looks. To make the filling, you'll need paneer, some chopped cashew nuts, some chopped kishmish that was soaked in water. Add in some garam masala, season with salt and just crumble it up and mix everything. Traditionally, the filling is made with fish or meat. I am making it with paneer. Add in some chili flakes or chopped green chilies according to your taste. Mix it up and that's ready. Fill in the stuffing into the gourd. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Make a thick paste with all-purpose flour and water. Once these are all done, any leftover filling can be added to the gravy. Use the thick paste to seal the open end of the pointed gourd. So just dip it in and coat it. Repeat with the rest. Quickly fry the gourds to seal them off. That's about it. Take them out. Fry the rest. In a bowl, add in coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, haldi powder. Pour in some water and mix it to a paste. Keep this aside. Use the oil from frying to make the curry. Add in some cumin seeds to temper it, bay leaves, stick of cinnamon. As soon as they release the aroma, add in the spice paste along with some fresh tomato paste. Give it a mix and let it cook till the oil separates all over. Add in some grated ginger, chopped green chilies according to taste. Add in some sugar and salt to taste. Couple of whole green chilies, you could slit them if you like the heat. That looks nice and glossy. Smells good too. Add in about a cup of water. Let it come to a boil. Now that it has come to a boil, add in the leftover filling. Lower the heat and place the parwal or the pointed gourd in the gravy. Cover it and let it cook. Checking after about 5 minutes. So some of the seals have opened up. Not to worry. Just turn the gourds carefully onto the other side. Take a spoon and drizzle the gravy over the gourds. Cover and cook till they are done. Now that looks cooked. I'll just check. Yes, that is cooked. I just added about 1/4 cup of water to get a little bit of gravy that had dried up. So just turn off the heat. Serve the stuffed parwal curry hot with rice, puri or paratha and enjoy.